Jorge Santos Martinez speaking, and in this opportunity, I'm going to be working with the video assignment number 4 of English grammar. In this opportunity, I'm going to be talking about how to use the imperative form. With all of this said, we can begin with this assignment. Note, this assignment is a brief presentation of this subject. So I will use PowerPoint to present this assignment. Now, the topic of this assignment is how, as I told before, how to use the imperative form. So let us begin with what is the imperative form. So the imperative form is used to give a command or instruction, advice, invitation, or request. It's usually addressed you, the listener, but the subject you is not stated. For example, sit down, you sit down. Don't run, you don't run. Now we are going to talk about how to use it, the form in a positive command. In English, a positive command is formed with the base form of the verb, the infinitive, without to. Open the door, take your medicine, come here. If you want to include yourself with others, you can use let's plus verb. For example, let us eat or let's eat. Let's go to the park. Now we're going to talk about how to use this form in the negative. In negative command are formed with don't plus verb form of the verb. For example, don't touch that, don't be late, don't make noise. For group suggestion, it is the following. We put less. For example, let's not argue, let's not forget our homework. Now I'm going to give some other examples of how to use the imperative form in our everyday situations. We can use it at home as wash your hands before dinner as a positive, as a negative, don't watch too much TV. In class, we can use open your book to the page 10 in the positive example. In the negative, don't speak English. Pardon, don't speak Spanish, speak English. With friends, and the positive can be come with me. The negative is don't worry about it. At work, the positive can be send me the report by 5 p.m. The negative, don't forget the meeting tomorrow. Those are a few examples that I can think about of this use of the imperative form in our daily situation or lives. Finally, let's summarize the whole exposition of this the use of the imperative. So we understand now the positive to use the imperative in the positive, we first put the verb. For example, sit down. Then in the negative, we add don't plus verb. For example, don't run. In group situations or action, we put less and less not plus the verb, depending if it's positive or negative. For example, let's eat, let us not fight. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening, and cheers.